they mentioned that they have deferred the date for submission to November something 3rd or 5th or something.
Hmm.
Week 7 assignments.
How many sessions?
And
Extended you have now?
but if you open, I just wanted to double check and open the graded assignment pages in the portal, that is in the subject wise
Hmm.
courses, right? So
Okay.
in the graded assignment at the top of these assignments, it's still mentioned as 27th October for the for the current batch. So I don't know which is whether it's applicable to this term or it's not updated or something. So
Hmm.
there's one which is one deadline in the mail is mentioned as 5th, but just above each of these graded assignment, it's mentioned as 27th October. So
For
which
week
of
7.
this?
For week 7,
Oh,
right?
yes, ma'am. For yes, sir, for week 7. So we
Okay.
don't know which is the
Okay. Okay.
correct one.
So what I can do is, okay, I will confirm with the team. Okay, and maybe you have Monday one session, right? Regarding week 7. So in that, you'll get the confirm thing, right? Whether it is extended or not. Will that be okay?
Again, sir, Monday. What is it? You're saying something?
Monday we have the session, right? Solve with the session,
Okay, you're talking about the live interactive session, no?
live session. Yeah, yeah. So what will happen? So I will today I will confirm with this means our team, and you will get notified in live sessions itself.
Yes.
What the mail suggests is
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat?
the mails which you got, right. So what is there, like what is written?
Yeah.
It's
So it says that announcement of mock and week 7 deadline,
Mhm.
which was sent on yesterday evening. It's been sent
Okay.
6:43.
Mm.
So what it says is we are extending the week 7 graded assignment deadline to 3rd November.
Mm.
And they are providing two mock tests and one practice test on Monday, Tuesday, that is the thing.
Mm.
And also they are sort of trying to update the week 7, 8, and 9 live
I,
sessions,
I,
no?
yeah, others is fine. Okay, so let's say if the deadline is extended on the portal also, it will change. Fine, and if it is not, then you will get notified. You can ask in the live session. You will get that answer. I
Yeah,
will
because,
cross check
yeah,
it with the team. Yeah.
yeah, please, sir, because as of now, the portal deadline is 27th. So if it doesn't change and last minute if you say, they say that no, it's not applicable, you have to submit on 27th,
Mm.
then I don't want to rush and submit. That's why.
Correct, correct. No,
So,
that's true. That's true. If it is extended, so you can study for quiz too. That is fine. Uh,
when are they likely to update if it is a valid one? That is, if it is extended. So in the portal, कब update होगा sir? कुछ idea है?
One more thing is, okay, let's say if the deadline is extended, you will get that answer. Like I will ask them to change the deadline due date here in
Okay,
graded
okay,
assign on the portal. Okay, you can cross check by today or maybe by tomorrow.
okay, sir.
If it is changed, that means it is changed, right?
Yes, okay,
If
sir.
it is not,
All
that
right,
means
yes, sir. Okay.
yeah. And
If
if
it doesn't, if it doesn't, uh, like
if,
it
if
will
it
be updated today. You are saying, is it?
if it will get updated today, uh,
Okay,
okay, and if it is not changed by today, or you just wait for tomorrow morning,
okay,
first case, and if it is not changed tomorrow morning, that means this deadline is same, then you have
okay,
the assignment. And if it is changed, then no need to worry about it, right? And you can again cross check in the Monday session also. So
okay, sir.
yeah, right, Monday one session is there, solve with this, so you can cross check there also. It's fine.
Okay. Sir, these live sessions that they have given for Monday, Tuesday, and all.
Hmm.
So this will be Zoom invite separately, no?
Huh, yeah. So I think Monday you have one solving session for week 7. Thursday you will be having Thursday and Saturday you will be having the revision session for week or like 1 to 6. You can ask mock related doubts there, or you can ask or and summary of the 4, 5, 6 weeks will be there. So yeah,
Okay. Because as of now, only the mock test schedule is updated. Live sessions, they are saying that they will come up with the
yeah,
dates.
yeah.
That's why.
Okay, okay, yeah. That it will get updated after some time. But
Okay.
for statistics one, that is like regular sessions will be there, right? On Thursday we will be having the this 5 to 7 session, and Saturday it will be 2 to 4. So these two sessions will be for uh, this mock and revision sessions. I'm saying that. So okay, that is there. It will be updated in your times also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Shall we start then regarding week 7 or week 1 to 6? Whatever doubts are there, you can ask here. It's not a problem.
Uh, so,
Yeah.
sir, I have a doubt.
Okay. No,
Uh,
raise your hands. Like we'll go by like our procedure. Will that
uh,
be? So I think Mahi has already raised her hand. Anyone, whoever are having doubt, they can raise. Yeah. Yeah. Mahi will go first. Then Abhi Prasud Bishwas, he will go, and then Lee. Fine. That will be the order now.
Sir, sir, my doubt is in graded assignment week 5, question number 2.
Grade assignment week 5.
Yes, sir.
Is it like we have already discussed all the grade assignment questions in week 5, I guess. Okay. We'll see. Uh, my screen is not visible, right? My screen is visible, right? No.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Grade assignment question number 2. Okay. Okay. What's the doubt here?
Sir, I am not able to make it like 6 classmates.
Hmm.
Sir, like how to do it, like grouping.
Grouping. Okay. So, for example, here in these questions, how many classmates are there? 6, right? 6 classmates are there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 6 classmates. Let me try. Okay. So 6 classmates are there. Then one teacher is there, right? So we need to
Yes.
find the groups such that uh,
At
at
least
least one
one
should be there
student.
with the teacher,
Like,
right? So
yes, sir.
suppose one teacher is here, right? The teacher is fixed, correct?
Yes.
Now you can have one student along with the teacher, right? Or two students along with the teacher, or
3,
three
4,
students,
5,
like that, right?
6, up to
Correct.
6.
So yeah.
Yes.
So if one teacher is one student is there with the teacher, so in how many ways you can select one student, one that student in 6 classmates?
6, 7.
Correct, right? 6 even.
Yes.
Or if two students will be there in along with the teacher, in how many ways you can select two students,
62, like, okay.
right? Like that, if you do and if you add, you will get the possible number of groups, right? Because let's say one student and one teacher, that is one group, right? Then
Yes.
or two students and one teacher, that is another group, like that. So the question asked is how many possible groups are there, or how many
Okay.
possible groups can be made. So you got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
in
Abhinav.
this question we can do 2 raised to
Ji.
6 minus 1 also for this
Uh,
question.
yeah, that also you can do. Okay, that is also the same thing, right? So if you know this 6c1 plus 6c2 until 6c6 and plus 6c0, this is equals to 2 to the power 6, right? If you know binomial expression,
Yes, yes,
and we wanted this thing 61 to 66, so 60
yes,
is 1, so
yes,
that one will go here, that will be also the
yes,
fine.
yes.
Okay, any other? I think. Oh, sorry. I said Abhi Prasun. Sorry, Abhi Prasun is
Yes, sir. My doubt is in week 7, practice assignment 1.
okay. Week 7, practice assignment 1.
So
Yeah,
there's a question that there are 10 multiple select questions, and
this one, right?
yes, sir, this one.
Uh,
Sir, can you please explain this one?
yeah, yeah. Okay. What it says is, in an exam there are 10 multiple select questions. In each multiple select question, yeah, what you know that what is mean by multiple select question, and 4 options are there for each question, right? If
Yes, sir.
if a student chooses all the correct options, then he will or he or she will get 4 marks, right? Or he or she will get she won't get any marks, right? Right.
Yes.
Then what is the probability that he will score at least 16 marks in the exam? Now 16 marks, to get 16 marks, at least 16 marks, uh, how many questions you should be having correct?
4.
4, right? And at least 16 means, hello? So at least
Yes, sir.
16 marks means how many questions? Okay, that
Sir,
means,
4 or 5 or 6
yeah,
or 7 or 8 or
correct,
9 or 10.
correct, yeah. So if you want at least 60 marks, that means either 4 or
Or
5
5,
or 6, like that, to 10,
10.
right? So, and each question is having 4 options,
Yes.
right? Now, so the thing is, first of all, you know how many possible, like if there are 4 options, then in how many ways one question can be answered? First of all, you need to know that thing. How many ways are there to answer one multiple select question? So it can be like either A is correct, or B is correct, or C is correct, or D is correct, right?
Yes.
Or it can be AB is correct, or AC is correct, like that. That means either one option is correct. I'm talking about only one question now, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is possible that either one option is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
it can be 2 options can be correct, 3 and 4. So for answering one question, okay, for answering
Yes.
one multiple select question, how many ways are there? One student, if you are a student and you have 4 options there for one multiple select question, how many ways are there that you can answer that question?
So 4C1 plus
Yeah,
4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4.
yeah. How, what is the total? So 4C1 is, I think it's 1, right?
Yes, sir. So 2 to the
So,
power 4 minus 1.
okay, that we can do. That means 15.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So there are total of 15 ways one can answer the question, right? One multiple
Yes.
select question, and
Right.
within that 15 ways, you have only one way you can give answer correctly.
Yes, sir.
So what is the probability that okay, what do you want here? It's probability, right? Yeah. So what is the probability that you can once one can answer one multiple select question correctly? Because there is only one way that you can answer correctly, right?
So 1 by 15.
Yeah, you got it right. Why like this? Because
Yes, sir.
in that many ways, only one way is there where you can give answer correctly for one
Right.
multiple set question. You got the idea, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Others, you got it?
Yes.
Anyone is having doubt here? This why this 1 by 15?
Sir, 4C1, 4C2, how you got 15?
So I told you, right? So there, see, there are 4 options A, B, C, D, right? So uh, if you are a student and you are giving the multiple state question, sorry, you are answering multiple state question. So what you can do is you can either choose A or B or C. Means like you will be choosing only one option. So in how many ways you can choose one option out of the 4 options?
Yeah, 4 out of 1 in first, yeah.
That is 4C1, right?
Yes.
Or if you are selecting 2 options out of these 4, so in how many ways you can select 2 options? That means this combination. Okay, I will tell you. So if you are selecting only one option, so say how there are like A or B or C or D. These are the 4 options, right? To select one
Yes.
option, and to select 2 options means there are this combination possible, right? AC AD, BC, BD, and CD. Six options are there, right?
Yes.
What is this mean by 6 options? Is 4 C2 ways,
Mm-hmm.
right? And to select
Yes.
3 options, how many
A,
combinations?
B, C. Yeah.
ACD, then what is there? Uh, ABD, right? Then BCD, then BCD, then what? B.
D. D, C, A.
Hmm? This is there, right? This is same, right? It's combination. It's not
Oh.
so
Okay. Okay.
order doesn't matter here. So it's ABC, ACD, ABD, then BCD, other thing. Okay, 4 only, yeah.
Yes. I think for yeah.
Right. Four ways are there, right? And to select 4 options. So what is this? It's 4C3 because you are choosing any 3 options out of these 4. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And the last way of uh, selecting options is all the 4.
Oh, one way. Yeah.
4C4 or one way, right? This is 4C1,
Four.
this is 4C2, this is 4C3, and this is 4C4. But out of these all combination, only one combination is correct, right?
Yes.
Either some any one option can be correct, right? Also, all these possible ways. Let's say ACD is correct option. Like these are the 3 correct options you have to choose. Then only you will get the marks, right? Or
Hmm.
a, this is possible like that. So out of these 15 different ways, you have to answer it in only one way, such that your answer to that question, it should be correct.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why the probability that because we are selecting one way out of the 15 total ways, right? So this is probability for giving correct answering correctly
So one.
for
Okay.
one multiple select question,
Okay.
right? Now, now the question is, we wanted 16 marks, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So 16 marks means we at least we have to solve 4 options correctly. Sorry, 4 questions correctly out of the 10. So what is the probability for that? 1 by 15 to the power 4, right? And first of all, you have to choose 4 questions out of the 10 multiple select questions, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Then 10C4, 1 by 15 to the power 4. And what is the probability that you are answering question incorrectly? It's 1 minus 1 by 15, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's 14 by 15. So 40. So if you are solving 10 questions, right? Out of those 10 questions, we are selecting 4 where you are given answer correctly for the 4 questions,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
And
Maybe.
and then we have to like give wrongly for 6 questions, right?
Yes, sir.
This is fine.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Yeah.
This is for 4. Like that you can do for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. Correct, right?
Okay, sir. Right.
Got the idea, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you guys can solve. So if you can see here, yeah, I think it's okay. These 3 questions or what? So yeah, here what we did is 1 minus this thing. What now we can do in this way, but it will be like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of that, we can what we can deduct all the probabilities which are answering or which are getting lesser than 16 marks. So in which way we can get the lesser marks? 16 sorry, less than 16 marks is 3, 2, 1 or 0, right? 0 is not
Yes.
possible, so 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
So if you can reduce the probability, sorry, if you can subtract the probabilities of getting 3 correctly or 2 correctly or 1 correctly, or 0 also, yeah. Then you will get the same thing, right? So you can do either this way. You can add all the probabilities related to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or you can subtract the probabilities of 3, 2, 1, 0 from 1. You will get the same answer. So here it's
So we are subtracting one minus those which are correct.
which one?
That
3 to
1
1.
minus,
Huh.
yeah,
So
1 minus.
that means if your 3 questions are correct out of the 10, 2 questions are correct out of the 10, the 1 question is correct out of the 10, and 0 questions is correct. So in all these 4 cases, you won't get the 16 marks, right?
Yes.
Because we wanted at least 16 marks. That means your at least 4 questions should be correct out of the
Yes.
10. So what
Yes,
we are
yes.
doing is you can subtract all those possibilities or all those probabilities from 1.
We are not getting, where we are not getting 16.
16 marks.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
I think here, yeah, here it is given that thing. So yeah, this is the different, not different way I can say. Here what you given is number of ways you can select 3 questions, 2 questions, and these are the total number of ways. Same thing we also did here is, because if you carefully see, uh, it's 15 to the power 4 and it's 15 to the power 6. So ultimately it will become 15 to the power 10, right? The total number of ways of selecting the 10 questions answers. So here it is given 15 to the power 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can solve
I
by
have a
this way
question.
also, or you can solve by whatever I showed to you. Same thing is there. Yeah. Yes, yes.
Sir, I have a question.
Ah.
Sir, suppose we have not registered for statistics right now, but the live sections and the doubt sections are running now for the statistics. Then what we will do later if we have any doubt or any query?
I think the same question is asked last time also, right? So later means what you're saying. Again, if you are registered for statistics course, right, in the next semester.
No, sir. Suppose I have right now I have registered for 3 courses. I have not registered for statistics.
So you
So,
should not
but the
go
live
for statistics live sessions, right? Why to waste time?
no, sir, that not I want to. So I mean to say that suppose we have registered for 3 courses out of 4. We have not registered statistics, but the live section and the doubt sections is running right now for the statistics in term 1, and in term 1, and for the statics 1, for my statics 1, it will be in term 2. Then what will I do
No,
in term 2
there
if I
also
have any doubts?
no. There also the sessions will be running for those courses. It won't stop actually. It will be running
Okay.
continuously. It's
You have to
not
start
like
from the beginning. You have to start from the beginning.
yeah. So we are there actually in every time. So I am here for like last 3 terms. So I've been there like last 3 terms wedding, and next time also someone will be there to like in doubt sessions and doubt clearing session every. It will be there. So need not to worry about
Okay,
that.
sir. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I'm facing a technical problem in the statistics course. Can I tell the problem?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, actually, in the practice assignment, when you are clicking the button, the solution is appearing, isn't it? But in my case, the solution is not appearing. Only the answer is appearing.
Okay,
In
you
this
are in
portion,
qualifier batch, right? I think yeah.
sir, I appeared for the qualifier exam on 10th October.
Yes. I got it. I think that portal is having some problem. So I'll fix it today. Okay, I'll ask them to.
Okay, sir.
It happened yesterday only. It was not there before, I think, right? It happened yesterday only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll fix it. Yeah, today definitely. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Before it was
Thank
appearing,
you.
right? Only yesterday that happened. That it's okay. Maybe you haven't seen that. Yes. Screen size. Someone asked me, could you increase screen size, please? Okay. Why? Is it not visible now?
So it is visible.
Okay.
It's visible, sir.
Properly
So,
visible, right? It's not.
yes, sir. So may I ask my question?
Yeah, Pritam. Yes, go ahead.
When you are writing something, then it can be increased, I think, sir, because we
Okay.
need
For okay, writing. Okay, fine.
space.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So my doubt is in graded assignment week 7, question number 4.
Graded assignment with question. Okay.
So let me. Okay, this is a different question. Just let me check it. Yeah, this is okay. In my question, the figures are given in such a way that no. In 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Is this question correct?
Question number 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, shouldn't it add to so okay, okay, I'm telling. So those who play tennis also play table tennis, right?
Hmm.
So that means these 20% are among the 40%
Correct.
who play table tennis, right?
Uh,
So 40% play table tennis and 50% play badminton.
hmm.
That means now we haven't been told anything about people, whether there exist people who play table tennis as well as badminton.
So no, that you have to calculate, right? Have you studied mathematics one? So set theory have you studied?
Yes, sir. I'm framing the Venn diagram, but
Uh,
it is not calculable.
you have to think that okay, how many will be there who also play table tennis and play badminton? You have to frame that Venn diagram like that. Okay, because I think you are thinking separately. Badminton, everything is everyone playing badminton and everyone playing table tennis.
So basically, see, my doubt is, suppose 40%, suppose there is no intersection between the two, table tennis and players and badminton players, then it would be 40% plus 50%. That means 19%, 90% are involved in these
But
sports.
you are saying suppose, right?
Yeah, the reason I'm saying this,
Huh.
because that adds up to 90%, right? And if there is any intersection, the number will only reduce, right?
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
if that happens, then we will have people who don't play any sport, right?
Okay.
And if that happens, then the first statement is getting violated, isn't it?
Mm, okay. I see. I have solved that question and
Okay.
it's correct only because, but still I will check once again
Okay, sir.
if something is happening. Okay. Okay, let me check once, right? I will solve this question again.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
So same question is there for you or different question?
So I have two more questions, one from activity and other the
No, no,
from
no. No, I'm saying that this grade assignment question.
oh no, the figures are different, but the question is same.
Question. What are the things are there like percentage?
For me it's 50, 40 and 10, I think. Okay, let me check.
Check it once and just tell me.
Yes, it's 50, 40 and 10. 10 play tennis, 40 play table tennis, and 50 play badminton.
Okay. Okay, in that case, what you have to do is, okay, I won't say you the answer.
Yes,
Do
sir.
one thing. Try to try to frame that Venn diagram. Okay,
Yes, sir.
try to draw that Venn diagram. Then uh, consider whoever the extra students are there, right? Whatever extra students, they are not playing any game.
Sir, tell me just one thing.
Hmm.
Are there students who play none of the sports?
You can consider it. Okay,
And if that is the
for
case,
example,
if that is the case, the first statement says that there are a total of, in my case, it's 180. So there are a total of 180 students who are part of badminton, table tennis, and tennis team. So by this statement, I understood that
for,
every player is involved in at least one sport.
yeah, got it. Your yeah, that is valid point. So yeah, I'll check. So once I'll check. Otherwise, we'll see if it is wrong question. Then we'll do scrapping or something. But I'm not sure about it right now. But
Okay,
I'll
sir.
check later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine.
And my next question is question number 12 of the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah. Question number 12. Yeah. We are doing that. Options are actually wrong, right? All four options.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, it's misprinted.
Okay, sir.
Actually, option C and D should have that probability of like its complement. It's probability of complement of B. Probability of B bar or and probability of B bar C and D.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So I think that will update or not. I'm not sure about it. We
Okay, sir.
asked the team to do. It's misprinted actually.
Okay, sir. And my last question is from activity 7.5.
Activity 7.5. Yeah? Okay. 7.5.
5.
Okay.
Question number 3.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Question number 3.
Yes, sir. Here the last statement which asks what is the probability that he will buy either a bat or a ball. Doesn't that mean that he can't buy both? Because it's written either. Had it been only he will buy a bat or a ball, ball.
Ball or a bat, right? That
Yeah.
means it will. He can buy both also. It's or statement, right? Or means what? Logical or is union, right?
Yeah, but had either been not mentioned, then we would have understood that buying both is a possibility. But
No. Either here it does not see in probability questions, right?
Yeah.
So this whenever there is or logical or, then
Yeah.
that either it does not make like any sense. It's either a ball or a bat. That means you have to consider both the things also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So whenever we face such things, we take the case that
in
okay.
probability or permutation combinations where there is or, right, you have
Okay.
to directly go for this union thing.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Okay. Regarding that grade assignment question, I will tell you, right, what will happen. Maybe yeah, we'll make an announcement if something is wrong or something, or we'll scrap it later. The
Okay, sir.
fourth question, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, 12th question I told you, right? Option C and D, it should be complement. Now you can solve actually.
What would the correct options be?
So option C will be probability of A should be less than or equal to probability of complement of B, and probability of A is greater than or equal to probability of complement of B. So this probability
Okay,
of B,
sir.
right? Instead of
Yes, sir.
that, it is complement of B. You
Okay,
can
sir. Okay.
consider as and accordingly you can answer.
Okay, sir. I'll check.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you told that in stat, if in probability P or something comes, and even in permutation, you will take union.
Yeah, or means union, right? And is intersection.
So here you will take.
Logical or means inside.
Yeah. Okay, it's union. But either that was that was question. Either A
So,
or B. It could be one, sir.
What
it could be? It could be either a ball or a bat. Only one.
Why? You can buy both also, right? You can buy bat also and ball also, right? So let's say if I'm saying it to you that you can either buy a ball or a bat or you can buy both.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, in case if you want to mention that both is not possible, that would be explicitly mentioned in the question, right?
Yeah,
For
it is
example, either a bat or a ball, but not both.
both. Huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You know that, right? And in case, let's say, sometimes what happens is, it will be like ball, bat, and it is okay. Let's say one event is A and another event is B. If
Yes,
they
sir.
are disjoint,
Yes,
so
sir.
something is common. So in that case, you cannot buy the both things, right? At a
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
So because it's A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B.
Yes, sir.
So when there are disjoint events, this will become 0.
Yes, sir.
You have to just add these two.
Yes, sir.
If they are independent events, then okay, I think you have gone through.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay, leave it there.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I solved the 12th one according to correct options.
That's fine. Yeah. Any doubts? Previous weeks, because your quiz is also coming, so you can ask now also. It's not a problem.
Sir, can I ask?
Yeah.
So in week 6, right, like in practice, I mean, we had that ring question, right?
Week 6, huh?
Yeah, I think it's in this. Like in practice, we have that ring arrangement question, right? So I know that because it is two rings, it will be like the inner one will be a circular and the outer one will be a linear because it is unique, like in comparison. But if we have one more, like will there be such a possibility like with one more, then both of those will be linear? Yeah, this one.
This one, right?
Yeah. So if we have one more, will both of like how will that happen? Like, will it be two linears and then we have to check the order of those two linears? Do we have to do that?
Okay, let me check what will happen. Suppose now you, but that will depend on which thing you are going to fix, right?
Yeah.
Now what happens is inner there are 4, right?
Yes.
And outer there are also 4.
Yeah.
Right. But we know that one is fixed, right? Somewhere
Yeah.
else, I don't know which one is fixed.
So Priya, outer
Yeah,
circle
but
Priya.
outer circle. So we know that Priya is fixed.
Yeah.
So why this linear combination became like happened is because it's, let's say here A B C D, right? So once
Yes.
Priya is fixed, then if A is here, Priya and let's say P and A is there, right? So according to Priya's positions, we are thinking about the other positions. So in case we have the third circle here, right?
Yeah.
And we are thinking relative to Priya.
Yeah.
Right? The other arrangements. If Priya is on the outer circle, then that will also become the linear arrangement. But I'm not sure that. Okay, let's say Priya is on inside, sorry, inner circle. Then you can fix this one, right? These arrangements. But I don't know whether we can fix these arrangements or not.
So basically, whenever one is fixed, all other things becomes linear. So in fact, if we take even one circle, in that case too, what we do is fix one and then do a
Yeah.
linear permutation of the rest.
All of them become linear because like the other two become linear because in comparison with the one we have fixed, it is unique. Each case is unique.
That's what. Yeah. Once it is fixed, that means it's that arrangement will be unique, right? You cannot shift that position.
Yeah, but like, do we have to check between those two linears as well? I mean, like there can be. It is not just because we are not fixing the students who are in those linear. Like, how will the situation be? I'm just kind of confused about that. Like, if it is just two circles, then it is okay. Like, we can understand how it will be. But let's say we have 15 students and we have 4 on the inside and 4 on the outside and the remaining on the outermost. And we are fixing one on the middle circle.
Okay. So actually what happens is, let's say what we did here in these two
Which
circles.
question is this, sir? Which question is this?
Practice assignment week 6, question number 10.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll just check the answer once.
The reason it becomes linear is that the relative position now matters.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. So whether there be a number of circles, the moment we fix one, the all other persons become linear permutation.
Yeah, I got that, but like I'm just kind of confused between those two linears. How will the range? That is like among those two linears.
So in that case, you can draw two cases, then that would be clear.
I also need to check once more. 1 minute. I'm just trying to see what happens. What happened? Okay, we'll discuss now this. So suppose you have 3 circles here, right? That is the question, right?
Yes, sir.
And suppose we have Priya on the, okay, where we want to take, let's say we are taking it on the outermost circle, right?
Okay.
And we have to arrange like 4 girls inside this circle. So I think, yeah, see, first of all we have to arrange these 4 girls, right? And these 4
Yes.
girls on 2 circles first. So these are the circular permutations only, correct, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I think then usual thing, then the outer circle will be the linear combination. Then why it is happening? Yeah, tell me.
But if that comes in the middle, if Priya comes in the middle, then it will change, right?
So
if Priya is in the middle circle.
So then also I don't think it will change, because let's say here Priya is there, right? Then you have to arrange 4 girls inside the circle. That will be circular permutation, right?
Yes.
And you have to arrange 4 girls outside the circle. That is also circular permutation. Once you fix this, then you can think about where Priya is, right? Then that will be
it is just the one that we are fixing.
Yeah. Okay. Only one person we know here. So these two will be circular and this will be linear.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
So please repeat.
See, suppose you have this inner circle out, like the second outer circle and the outermost circle, right? So, and we let's say Priya is in the second outer circle or
Yes,
second
sir.
circle, if I say.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do is you have to first arrange 4 girls in inner circle. That will be the circular permutation.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to arrange 4 girls in outer circle. That will be also be the circular permutation, right? Okay. Then you have to.
So basically, the fact it was becoming linear is that suppose P is there and the in the inner circle there is A, B, C, D, right? Now suppose
Okay, let me tell me first thing. If this inner circle is there, why it's circular permutation? Why we consider this?
Because of the relative position. Suppose A, B, C, D is there where A is sitting on the north, and now another permutation we take where A, B, C, D is again in the same order, but A is now sitting on the east. These two are considered as same.
Same,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That's
So
why we are considering here. So that is for one circle, right?
yes, sir.
For arrangement, because both the way it will be same. That's why
Yes, sir.
that thing. So we are subtracting that one, right?
Yes,
Same
sir.
thing, outer circle also, it will be different. Why? Okay, in two cases, why you said this is linear permutation?
Because when I fixed P, now if suppose A sits on the north, basically parallel to P,
That will be directly
that is
positive,
one.
right?
That is a different permutation when A
Yes.
sits on the east.
Yes. If A is here, this is different, and if A is here,
That is
this
different.
different, right?
Yeah.
Correct. No, that's why. So same thing. What we have to apply is you have to arrange the outer the girls on the outer circle also, because then that will the other. See, let's say here it's B, suppose, right? And
Yes,
here
sir.
is B. So
Yes, sir.
this PAB is different combination, right?
Yes, sir.
And this P, this A and this B will be another combination.
Yes,
Or
sir.
this P, this A and this B will be another combination.
Yes, sir. But sir, this means that only the second circle is
Yeah,
circular and
linear.
others are linear.
No, second is okay. In this case, second is linear, right?
Why, sir? Because we are fixing P, so
P.
others are getting
Circular.
arranged in circular, right?
Yeah, correct, na? Yeah.
Others means others
Okay.
on the
Correct,
second
correct.
circle.
Whatever you're saying is yeah. So the leaving that circular that where P is fixed, others are
Yeah.
circular permutations.
So I'm saying others should be linear, na?
Others
Because in the two circle case also, P was the circle in which P was in, that was circular permutation, and others were linear permutation.
See, Priya is Priya is on outer circle, right?
Yes, sir.
And if you see number of ways in which chosen girls can sit in the inner circle, this is 3 factorial, right?
Should this be the case?
Yeah.
Because
right.
actually the answer will come anyhow, because it's 4
No,
in
because
both
because
cases.
you got 2 circles only, na. That's why you
Yeah.
got the correct answer. What we are doing is inner circle is a circular permutation. First of all, you are taking all the permutations in inner circle.
Yes, sir.
Now you are checking like with respect to that inner circle, what are the possible permutations are there on the outer circle where Priya is fixed. Okay.
Yeah.
So when another circle
Okay,
is
sir.
there, that will also a circular permutation.
Okay,
First of all, you have to arrange all the circular permutations, and then you have to fix it with the Priya. That will be the linear combination. Okay.
And what if I go other way around? Why is it wrong? Suppose I take the circle in which Priya is sitting, and I do a circular permutation with that. Okay.
With Priya.
And
Okay.
yeah, and what and with the remaining?
Okay. Let's consider your case. So so it will be, let's say 4 are outer, 4 are inner, and 4 here.
Yes, sir.
Now my answer is, suppose what I said is
3 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial.
Into here it's 4 factorial, but what you are like,
taking the people, corresponding people.
Right?
4, 3, so 12, 12, C, 4.
12 C.
3, then 4. Twice we have to take. 4, then remaining from,
C4.
yeah, yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now what you are saying is you are arranging 4 factorial into 4 factorial, right? Then
no, sir. First I'm taking the circle in which Priya is, so that will be 3 factorial.
Okay, that will be 3 factorial. Okay,
then in the remaining I would take 4 factorial.
So
and then that will, the choices will be considered as well, 12C4 and 8C4.
So this is, and this answer is
different. Yeah, but when I'm doing this, what mistake am I committing? That's what I want to understand.
So okay, how can I explain this then?
Actually, I think so. I should work out on it, and then I'll get back to you.
Maybe, yeah.
That would be better. Yeah, sir.
One thing you can do is, instead of this 4 people, right?
Yes, sir.
With the
I would take
different
less people
three.
and jot down the cases.
Take three and just
Yeah.
write down. That is,
Yeah.
I think, best way to solve this
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
You
I
just
would do
write
that,
that,
sir.
yeah, and we'll discuss it there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Huh.
in this assignment only, sir, a question where 30 students and we have to arrange in 6 rows and 6 seats are there.
Same assignment. Practice
Yes, sir.
mathematics. Question number,
Yes.
do you know?
Sir, question is changed. Like in my assignment, this is question number 2.
Okay, that means, is it practice assignment 6 you're saying?
Yes,
Things
sir.
are not changing right here for this, is it?
No, I don't think so, sir. It changes.
Okay.
No, yes, question number 3.
This, right?
Yes, sir.
For practice assignment 6, I think it's not changing because all are like static, continuous questions. Okay, there are 30 students in a class who are supposed to be seated in 6 rows and containing 6
But
seats.
in my assignment, it's question number 2.
Okay. This question, right? We have to discuss
Yes,
this
sir.
question. Fine. So there are 30 students in a class who are supposed to be seated in 6 rows containing 6 seats each. In how many ways can they occupy seats if 2 students A and B are asked to sit in the same row? Okay, in how many ways? Because if A and B are, okay, fine. So you tried this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So like 6 rows.
So I'll draw the rows itself. And every row is having
6
seats.
seats. Yes. Sir, actually, in my assignment as well, technical issue answer is not coming. That's why.
Answer is not coming means the
But the
correct answer.
feedback,
Feedback is not coming.
answer
Yeah,
is
I got it.
yes.
We'll fix that.
Yes, sir.
Today we'll fix that. So, okay. So there are these 6, right? And A and B should be together. That is also thing, right?
Sir, in the same row, need not be together.
Okay. They should be in the same row. Okay. They should be in the. Let's say, for example, if they are in this row, they should be like all the 6 rows that can be, right? Correct. So there are total of 30 students. Suppose, how to solve this question is.
So may I?
No, okay. No, I know how to solve this. I'm just thinking like how to explain this. Okay, if you wanted, you can explain. It's not a problem.
Okay, sir. So basically, from the 6 rows, we can select one row in which we'll seat both A and B. That can be done in 6 ways. 61 probably. Then from that row, in that row, we have 6. Once we have seated A, there are 5 options available for B. Okay, so that accounts for AB, and then there are 34 more seats and 28 more people. That could be done in 34p 28 ways.
Okay, you got it?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So suppose, see, there are these 6 rows, right?
Like we have to put A and B in one row.
Yeah.
So at a time. So,
So
like
I have to select any of the row, right? Where
yes.
A and B can go. So how many ways are there to select one row?
So 61. Like
61 rows,
yes.
right? Correct.
Yes.
Now we have selected that. Okay, any one of the row can A and B can sit. Now in each row there are how many seats?
6.
6 seats. Correct. So in these 6 seats, in how many ways A can be seated?
One way.
So no. Out of the 6 seats, he can sit any of this on all the seats, right? One way, that is fine.
Yes.
But we have to choose one seat for him, right? Out of these 6 seats where A can be seated.
Yes.
Suppose A can sit on here or here or here or here, right? Anywhere.
Yes, sir.
So how many possible ways are there where A can sit?
6.
6. That means 61 ways, right? Or 6 ways, because we are selecting one seat out of the 6 seats where A can be seated.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now, okay, once A is seated, now B has to be seated on one of the chairs, right?
Yes.
So now out of the 6 seats, A is already seated because we have chosen one seat for him out of the 6. So how many seats are remaining?
5.
5. Now B
Yes.
has to be seated.
Yes.
So in how many ways B can be seated?
5, 7.
5, 7, right?
Yes.
Correct. Now, so there were a total of 30 students, correct? And total of how many chairs are there? 36,
So
right?
why we are taking two times? First time we are just selecting how many ways are there, and the second time 61 we are fixing it, right? Is it like that?
First of all, yeah. First of all, what this is, we have to select any one of the row, right? Where A and B can be
Okay,
seated.
okay.
This is where A can be seated, right? This is
Okay, sir. Okay.
the row where,
Can-
okay, right? The row where A and B can be seated. Okay, and this is where once A is seated, B can be seated. Correct. Now,
Okay.
out of this total of 36 chairs,
Yes, sir. Now got it.
A and B is already, yeah.
Seated, and that's 34 is remaining.
So 34 chairs are remaining, and how many students are remaining? 28. Right. So in
Yes,
how
sir.
many ways you can arrange these 28 students in 34 chairs?
34 C 28.
No, arrangement.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. Yes. Correct, right?
Yes, sir. One more doubt in practice assignment 5, big 5. Question number 7.
Practice is okay. Practice assignment. Okay. Questions. Sorry. Question number
7.
7. Okay. Find the ratio of the number of 3-digit numbers, all digits being even, whose digits either increase or decrease from left to right, to the number of 3 digits, all digits being odd, whose digits either increase or decrease from the right to left. Okay. Okay, fine. So we need to find the ratio of the. First of all, we'll take one part. Okay. So there are the number of 3-digit numbers. We have to find 3-digit numbers, and all 3 digits should be even, right? And whose digits either increase or decrease from left to right. Okay, correct.
Sir, is there any meaning of this statement, either increase or decrease, or it's just
Okay. So you are confused with that, not with the question.
yes.
Okay. So yeah, either increase or decrease means okay. If all the 3 digits are even, that what are the possibilities? 2, right? 4, 6, and 8, right? Only
Yes.
these numbers are even numbers, right?
Yes.
Or either increase or decrease means either it should be like this or it should be like this. Suppose 2 or 4, like that. So that means it's increasing from this, right, left to right, or it is decreasing from left to right.
Yes.
So these are two different ways, right?
Oh.
That is it is meaning. And for 3-digit numbers, it's like or which are odd. So odd digits are this 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So you have to arrange in 3 places these digits such that it should be increased. Like if it is 1, 3, 5, right? It cannot be something different like 2, 1, 5, like that. It should not be like this. Okay.
But 2 is even.
315.
Yeah.
315.
315 also is not there, right? It should be either
357.
increasing and decreasing. Yeah, it 357 it is possible. 359 is possible, right?
Okay.
So in the even part, 0 is also included, right?
Zero is not an even number, right?
Yeah, sir. Is it? It is.
I have included it.
One minute, I need to think. Zero. I'm always confused with the zeros. Even on. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, zero. Yeah, okay. Zero is even. Okay, fine. You can consider zero also. You got the answer by considering zero as even.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then it will be. I'm sorry. I'll get confused with zero. Okay.
So,
Sorry.
should we take 0 as in even factoring into the even number of digits or even numbers?
Yeah, even number. Yeah. Because
0.
even numbers definition is like this, right? If you divide it by some, if you divide it by some number, what is the definition of even number is?
Sir, divisible by 2.
If it is divisible, it should be divisible by 2. And what is mean by divisible by 2? It should the remainder part, right?
Remainder should be 0.
Remainder should be 0. So if you
So we are
divide,
taking 0 as the also the even number, right?
yeah,
Here, okay.
yeah, 0 is even part because if you divide it by 2, you will the remainder will be 0.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
Remainder is 0. Yeah. Quotient is also 0.
yeah, okay, yeah, 0 you have to consider. Fine.
Sir, please solve it as well.
That
Like,
is all now. Okay,
sir, like,
it's countable actually. It's countable. You can count also because if you see the ratio here, if you see the options also, right? 7 by 10, 7 by 25 by 7, 10 by 7. You can see clearly these are the counts, exact counts. You can solve it, or you can solve it by other means also. Like if my first place, if it is filled with these numbers, then what will be the second number and what will be third? Because we wanted it only either increasing way or decreasing way. You just try it once, and then if it is not possible, then we'll solve it. Okay.
okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay. You did not get the solution for this, huh? You're saying?
Yes, sir.
Question. Practice assignment 5 also.
Yes, sir.
I'm not sure that only 7 it's not there, right? Here it's working, right? In my
Sir, in my portal, it's not working.
others.
Yes, sir. Week 7 can be accessible.
No, who are there in qualifier batches? Can you check your portal for week 5?
No,
No,
sir,
sir, actually,
we don't have the feedback.
What is there?
We don't have the feedback.
For week 5 also?
Yeah.
So this has happened when it is happening, like from when you are not getting the feedbacks?
It's been like that.
Before it was there, when you are solving the practice assignment in week 5, at that time it was there?
No.
So you guys have solved it without feedback, huh? Okay, I need to check once. How it's possible?
I was also not getting the feedback, sir. Only answers was coming.
From week 5, no,
Browser,
I know that yesterday only I got this thing in qualifiers.
No, sir. Earlier also, I think I got this feedback. When I was using this in the Mac, it was working. But when I was using the desktop, it was not working. Some browser issue was there.
Okay.
And how to resolve? I also tried, but I did not get the resolution on YouTube also. Okay, how to resolve this? So ultimately, something oops was coming. Something oops.
Oops.
Yeah, this oops is not getting resolved, sir. No way we have something, I think, wrong with this oops. What is this oops? We don't know. We are not technical persons, so we are not able to resolve it easily. But this feedback is coming like a database, I think so. Some database is there, it is taking from the database, and this database is not working for the browser. All the browsers is not supporting that. I think so. Okay. But how to resolve it, I can't
see in my portal, right? Where I'm seeing now, I opened this qualifier.
But sir, it is better to previously when I was working the qualifier, PDF was good, sir. PDF was good. PDF resolution was
Yes, sir.
uploaded.
PDF would be very helpful. Even I
What
mentioned
what is correct in that, sir? We take the printout of that and we do on that printout. What that takes less time, and that is sure shot also. So it is better if both options are there, because you can provide both the things, but we are limited to the resources. If feedback is not working, how much we can communicate with you, because that is not the sure shot. Because every device is not working like a unison. Our technology in India is not like that, sir. Because everywhere everything is not available. You must be knowing, I think.
I think, guys, can you check week 6? Week 6 is working. I think week 5 is not there, right? Can you check week 6?
I will give the feedback, sir, but in desktop it is not working. Oops is coming.
No, week 6.
Week 6.
In week 6 it is
Let
there.
me
Week
check.
6 it
Yes,
is there,
sir.
right?
Yes.
Week 6
Yes,
is,
sir.
yeah. I think week 5 is having that issue. Okay, 1 minute. Week 7 also is having issue, right? Okay. Okay, I'll tell you the thing. Okay, in 1 or 2 days it will be solved. Okay.
Yeah, some issues are there, sir, with the, I think, portal. The portal is designed for the higher version, I think so. It is not working in
It's
the
not.
lower
It's not
version.
like that. No.
It's not like that, but because what I'm feeling, I'm working the mic right now. It is working fine, no problem at all. When go to, because I have two things. My son is also doing that. When a laptop is engaged, I go to the desktop. Then desktop gives some problem.
Okay.
And what is happening? Why it is happening? Oops is coming in the desktop only. Never it comes in the Mac.
Okay.
That's why I'm telling some browser issue is there, or
Okay.
I can't say.
First of all, yeah, that browser issue, I don't know what will happen. That, but the thing is, yeah, week 5.
Better to go for the PDF, sir. At least for the practice assignment.
Okay, we'll
It
provide.
can be
Yeah. It's okay. We'll provide the PDFs also.
The
But
best one.
that feedback thing also it will enable.
Yeah. We can improve in that field also.
Okay.
Why it is feedback is required, sir. Without giving feedback, how will you know the
Yeah,
problem
that
is coming?
fine. Okay.
That's why we are updating. That's all.
Okay.
We are doing no problem. Okay.
Yeah, it will take like 1 or 2 days. So maybe by tomorrow we'll finish this.
Sir, week 6 GA, question number 2.
Week 6. Okay. We have discussed this, I guess, today itself.
Okay. Probably I missed that. I just had a simple query over there.
Okay, this. Okay, no. We haven't discussed. Fine.
Yeah, this question number, it
This
seems
one.
something, the 10, yeah, your train was. So I got this answer I got my answer wrong because I choose the combination over here, and it is taking like a permutation. But while it is already written over here that irrespective of direction of travel, so in such case we should take the combination only.
So okay, I think I have discussed this before, like previous sessions also.
Yes, sir. It was my doubt. So
Yeah,
may I tell?
irrespective of I'll explain it and then you. So irrespective of direction of travel, it means suppose if I'm going from let's say in this case Chennai to Assam, right? That will be one thing. That is one direction, right?
Right.
But if I'm going from let's say in between there are two stations, Mumbai and Delhi, for example. So if I'm going from Mumbai to Delhi, and if I'm coming from Delhi to Mumbai, that so irrespective of direction travel, that what we thought of meaning is if you are going from either direction, that should be
Ticket should be same.
no, the ticket should not be same. The print what do you say? Not
No, sir. In such case, then it should be respective to direction. If we are writing irrespective of direction, that means that whatever the direction, ticket will be same.
no. Okay. Okay. I think, but okay, this thing, right? Irrespective of direction of travel, I have already mentioned before the grade assignment submission in live sessions. This irrespective of direction travel, you have to take 2 tickets in consideration. Yeah, I know what you're saying is, if you're saying that if I'm considering irrespective of direction of travel, that means what you're thinking is if I'm going from Mumbai to Kolkata or something, or from Kolkata to Mumbai, it will be same,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Because in general it is respective to direction, but while we are specifically writing over here that irrespective of direction, that means that either you are going from Delhi to Mumbai or Mumbai to Delhi, the ticket will be same in such case. If
No,
we are
no.
not writing this word, that irrespective of direction, then we should consider like, okay, Delhi to Mumbai is one and Mumbai to Delhi is another.
Actually, okay, what happened is, irrespective of direction of travel, we thought of saying that if you go from one side, right, and if the
Mhm.
2 stations are there, so that you have to consider another direction, and you are coming from the other side, that you have to consider the another direction. Actually, that was the meaning, but yeah, it might have translated.
Actually,
Huh.
so here, actually, what we need to be thinking is, uh, irrespective of direction is because the ticket will always mention from which station to which station. So start and end will be different. So you have to take both into consideration, right? So that's how it is. We have to interpret that way. So we have to multiply it by 2. That's all. It will come.
Exactly. If this word was not mentioned over here, then we definitely go with the permutation only. But as it was mentioned that irrespective of direction, that means that permutation should not be taken. Only combination will be enough because
Yeah,
direction
sir.
doesn't matter over here.
It has made confusion for many, sir. Even
But I think I have already before the grade assignment submission
So,
session,
so this
I
was my doubt, and I had
Rather
asked
than going
before
for
the.
permutation, I think. Sorry.
So no. The thing is, I know all of your names, right? Who are regularly coming to the sessions, and I remember that before the grade assignment submissions, I already told that you have to solve in that way. I don't know,
Yeah.
but
Yes,
uh,
sir.
So it
I
was me
think
who had asked you. So what you had said, say suppose we are traveling from Chennai to Assam, and we decide to stop midway, and we want to go back.
yeah.
Then
So
that here, irrespective of direction of travel, means that we have the liberty to go back. So
yeah,
it is in
actually,
that sense.
yeah, actually, that was our intention to give, because ma'am, when we framed this question, Usha ma'am said that if you don't mention this thing, then it will create confusion, because we wanted to go only one direction or not. So yeah, but that
Even
was
that way is
also,
also, even
yeah,
if somebody wants to return also, that is factored in. When you calculate automatically, that is factored in. Any station you get down. See, for example,
hmm.
how we are seeing this is actually, let's say you have 5 stations in between, right?
No,
So total will be 7 stations,
hmm,
okay?
hmm,
Total is 7 stations.
hmm.
So for the person, like for the one who was saying, no, midway you want to come back, even that situation is also factored in actually in
No,
this
whatever he is
calculation.
saying, that is also not wrong actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What is, I
Yeah,
mean, what
Sumit
that
is
is,
correct only.
his case is also taken care by this formula. That's what I have seen.
That's what you are saying. You're saying.
Yeah, it is also taken care. Let's say he goes up to some 5 stations
Hmm.
and he gets down there and wants to come back.
Hmm.
That ticket also will be taken care by the reverse direction. Not a problem. Let us say he starts in Chennai and he gets down on the 5th station.
Hmm.
Assuming that is just a couple of stations before Assam.
Hmm.
He gets down.
Hmm.
And again, from there, when he wants to come back,
Hmm.
that is the ticket from the 5th station to the first station in the opposite direction. It's just the same. Only thing is the origin destination from and to this one will change. That's all. Otherwise, it is the same. So even that also is taken care.
Okay, but what he has he thought is, he just counted all the tickets only from one way. Like he did not think about the reverse way.
Yes, no, so that will just multiply by 2. It will work. That's all.
Yeah, that will work, but now already deadlines ended, right? That's he has
Yeah,
what he is
actually,
he,
deadline is already over. So,
he
but
did
the
not multiply it with the 2 there, right? If 7C2 is
6, no, sir. 6, it is 6 factorial It's not 6
See,
factorial actually.
yeah,
It is
it
not
will be
factorial, sorry.
yeah, it will be
Actually, it is
7C2 actually.
no,
Yeah.
no,
In
it
such
is not
case.
okay, you can do that,
Yeah,
but
see.
you can do n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2. That's all.
What he has done is he just took one direction, right? He chooses two stations, right?
Yeah,
But
exactly.
but you did not multiply with 2 because in reverse way also that many number of tickets you have to print, right?
How much will this come into? 7
So this is
factorial by
this is actually 7p2.
Actually, it is 7p2.
Yeah.
7
Is that
factorial by 5 factorial, right?
Yeah, because if
right?
formula is 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 2 factorial, the 2 will get cancelled. It's 7p2. But irrespective of direction of travel, what you have considered is 7c2, right? That means only you have considered only from Chennai to Assam.
Yeah, because it is either of the direction can be.
But it is possible. No, it's not written either of the direction, right? Irrespective of direction travel.
Irrespective of direction means that actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
irrespective means you are taking from Assam to Chennai also. That's what it means.
Only language
Yeah,
is
yeah.
different, sir.
Yeah,
But the
actually,
matter is
this is a language
both the
problem.
matters are same. Both the
Actually,
matters are same, and the whole thing
irrespective of
depends on the
direction of
language
travel.
only, sir.
Yeah,
See,
irrespective of direction of travel, that what we have assumed is, see, one direction, this is Chennai to Assam. Okay, whatever number of tickets will be printed on that direction, and other direction is from Assam to Chennai. Then you not to consider about the other direction.
sir,
Okay,
actually, it is just
got it, got it.
difference of
It's
the
okay.
understanding. We can say that in 5 students will sit in a row, and
Uh,
irrespective of order. So, irrespective means over there that order doesn't matter in whichever order they may sit. So, in
Okay,
such case,
okay,
we should go for
Sumit.
the
Okay,
combination.
I got it. It's fine. I'm
Yeah,
not saying you're wrong. Also, the thing is,
yeah.
how much marks you got in grade assignment 6?
No,
Okay.
no, actually, I crossed the threshold. No issues in that.
So that
let
I
us let
that's
us let us resolve on the table.
no. The thing is, this grade assignments things are it is just
Yes, sir. Yes.
this criteria is
Learn.
not
Yeah.
your final grading, right? It does not decide your final grading. It doesn't
no,
Yeah. Yeah.
decide
that
that.
doesn't matter. That doesn't matter, sir. The thing is
Mm.
to just clarify how the
Yeah,
question is getting resolved.
correct,
The thing is that only.
correct. Okay,
And
Okay.
same for the sir question number 7 as well.
7.
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah. See, over here, they are saying that round table, okay, in a
Okay.
restaurant, and they are sitting. So over here, the direction also does not matter. Is
Okay.
it either it is clockwise or anti-clockwise? So in such case, we should have consider the formula of n
No,
minus 1
you're
factorial by 2.
no. When you are considering this, when both the directions are not matter, right? Here
Yeah,
it is not
exactly.
mentioned anywhere, right? It's only circular permutation.
Yeah, it is only circular, but without any direction consideration. So it will be n minus 1 factorial
Factorial.
by
That's
2, na?
not by two. When you say anti-clockwise and clockwise are same.
Mm-hmm.
When I'll explicitly mention that anti-clockwise and clockwise arrangements are same, in that case it
Mm-hmm.
will be divided by 2. For
For
example,
example, there was a necklace problem in one of the activity questions, which required that both are same pearl necklace.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So ABCD, if I'm saying this clockwise direction of ABCD, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and ABCD, if this is anti-clockwise direction, if I'll mention that these two things are same, when it
Mm-hmm.
will be same, if all these things are same,
Mm-hmm.
whatever Pritam is saying there, the pearl or diamonds, so all the pearls will be same, right? If this is pearl, this is pearl. If three things are same, in that case, if you arrange in this way also or in this way, let's say B, C, D are the same things. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
when A, B, 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 and A, B, B, and B,
Mm-hmm.
this clockwise and this anti-clockwise is same, right? Because these three
Right.
these three are the same objects. In that
Correct.
case only it will be n minus 1 factorial by 2. Here anti-clockwise and clockwise doesn't matter. But in this case, these are the persons, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, it won't be same because 6 women and these are 6 different women, 12 different men. Correct? No. Here only n minus 1 factorial will consider.
Okay.
If the distinct objects are there, you can't say the clockwise and the anti-clockwise arrangement is same, right? If the same thing is
Just like in the case of beads.
beats,
Okay.
okay,
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, we'll try. We'll try to better that English. Okay, it should not, and it's better that if you know these things before the grade assignment submission, also you can ask us before it. Like, you can ask this question. Okay, this is the problem where we are facing. We can clarify
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Actually, sir, sometimes what happens that due to the
We'll,
office hours, right?
last
So we are
time.
yeah. So actually, we are working. So due to
Yeah,
some office engagements, we unable to take all these sessions. No?
correct.
So on weekend we can manage easily, but in the weekdays it is hard to manage
Okay.
this.
Okay.
So that's why.
Okay, fine. We'll try to like see, most of the times it's permutation combination questions, right? Sometimes language we also don't understand, like, okay, how to explain it so that it should not be that easy also to understand, because what happens if you give everything right in the question, then it will become very simple question. So
Exactly, sir.
sometimes we
But
are
many of the questions go wrong on the basis of this language only.
that discourse. Yeah, correct. So yeah, we'll try to better us.
One more thing,
Thank you
sir.
very much, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
One more thing. The login is, I think, being done only one device. If you want to log in on a mobile and laptop or desktop, it is not working. One at a time, only one login is admissible.
Okay.
But sometimes I think mobile is also required. Bluetooth is working in the mobile like that. If it is possible, I think.
You can write it to the support
Okay, okay. Because at least two is required. Mobile and because two Mac devices or desktop devices or Android devices. Sometimes we use Bluetooth through that and screen using on the TV or desktop like that. Bluetooth is not working in the desktop. Some issues we are facing, like if it is not
you can write it to the support. Actually, that is operation team's work. So
that's why I just told you I will write it on the support team.
Yeah, you can.
If they can consider. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, how to put our questions on discourse, sir? How to post it? Because there is no enter kind of thing in that. I tried to post one of the questions. I don't know whether it has been gone or not.
So you are term student or qualified, like
term, sir.
term. Okay. So have you started discourse? Like you got the invite and you have you accepted that invite? Hello.
Invited. I'm not sure, sir.
So are you able to see the questions posted by others?
Yes, sir.
On discourse. You
Yes,
use
sir.
that.
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
This kid I am able to see, sir.
These things you are able to see.
Yes, sir.
What is the problem here? You wanted to.
If I put the question, but I have not found the enter kind of thing. So I don't know whether it is posted or not.
Okay. Any other guys like who are facing this problem, or what the problem is? Actually, some sound is coming from that side. I am not able to correctly. You are not able to write it, or you are able to write it, but you are not able to post it.
I am able to write it, but I am not able to post it, sir.
You are not able to post it. Okay. This is my account. Let's. Okay. But if you are able to write it, then why you can't be able to like post it? I don't understand. Okay, I'll show one more thing. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, and tell me that are you able to see that on your discourse? Okay, here if you go here, right, at the end
Start no conversation. I have clicked, sir.
okay,
And
then
I have written something.
something you have written, let's say,
And at the end, so at the end, what I need to do, sir, to make
you have to
enter kind of thing.
create topic.
That's all. Okay.
That's it. You'll be get. So these two things are already there. My specific doubt is, okay,
Sir.
and you what you have to do is insert the topic name here. You can delete it this thing, and you can write here inside that whatever topic is there. Let's say activity question, something. Okay, activity
Okay.
question 7.6 or something like that. Question number you can add, and then you can ask your doubt here. You can write inside this. Okay, and what you have to just need to is create topic. That's it. It will post.
Right.
Right.
Right, sir. And another subject. One is subject, and another one is body. Okay. Understood, sir.
It's
Thank you.
Fine, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So when are you guys going to release the quiz one or the qualified solutions?
I'm not sure that because I think only qualifier guys we are I think providing solutions. Quiz one we are not providing anything, but we are not getting any notifications from the operation team. That I think results also are not declared yet, right?
No, sir, they are declared of
Declared.
quiz one.
Quiz one is declared, but qualifier it's not there. I
It
think.
is declared, I think.
Qualifier?
Yeah, it is declared.
Okay, it is
Yes, the
declared.
qualifier already
was
declared, and the registration has been done
Okay, done. Okay,
till
fine.
yesterday.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
So
because last time it was released, like the explanation.
yeah, but the team, right? Whatever the committee is there, or like IIT committee is there, that until they will ask us to release, we can't release actually. That's the thing. So their decision is there. It will be the committee decision will be there.
So because the quiz 2 is coming up and it would have the same sort of a course, so it would be.
Yeah, maybe I'll ask them. Is it possible to release or not? But until now, I think we haven't released. Last time also quiz 2, quiz 3, whatever the solutions were there, we did not release. One thing we can do is you can note down the questions and we can discuss them from the qualifier before the quiz 2 itself. Whatever the doubts are there, we can discuss in live sessions, or you can post it on the discussion forum or discourse, whatever it is there. Will give you the answers there.
So the
Or it's
questions
better.
are available, right, on the portal?
Questions are available, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, questions and answers are available, I guess. Answer key is also available. So whatever doubt is there in any question, ask in the live sessions or wherever. Because anyway, they will come into the quiz, right? Quiz 2, so it will be better. And if you guys are studying, then start studying for week 4, 5, and 6 properly. Okay, and a little bit on week 3. So I will say mostly try solving questions from week 3 to 6, because week 1 and 2 anyway theoretical are there, so not much questions will be there from there that 2 weeks. So it's better that you start studying from week 3 to 6.
Yes, so last time there were a lot of questions about derivations.
So this time in quiz 2, most of the weightage will be for week 5, 4, 5, and 6, and little bit for week 3, 2, and 1. So yeah. So it's better that you start practicing those questions, because it's kind of a lengthy paper, maybe I'll say. So it's better if you try to practice more and more question within time. That will be helpful in your exams. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, this is regarding our dashboard itself, sir.
Which one?
Dashboard. I mean, say our dashboard. I mean our platform where we are using kind of
Portal.
thing.
Yeah.
Portal. In that one, actually, last time I have asked, but I don't know why it is taking some time. See, admin people are giving some inputs. As course-wise, you are also giving some inputs, sir. So better there would be some notification kind of thing which is available for us on the top kind of thing. When we open that one, we can first see the notifications as if we will be seeing in other
So you are saying on the
apps
portal,
also.
you wanted the notifications regarding whatever important things are there. Yes.
No, a bell icon will be there. That will be tickling the number like 3, 4, 5, 8 kind of things, sir. So whenever the different departments are there using the same portal to give some inputs for us.
Okay.
So if you are you have uploaded something, sir, let us say this time. So we'll be checking. I mean, if we know that there is something new in that portal, then we'll be able to understand that. We'll be checking that one.
So you guys will be getting notifications, right, regarding whatever is there uploaded on statistics or mathematics like that? No.
No, sir. Actually, it's like we have to check it every day, and then if something not new comes up, then we go with that.
Yeah,
Every
sir.
part also, sir.
Notification is not coming.
For any subject or for only statistics?
For any subject, for any
For
subject.
any subject, no notification. Every time you have to check what has been updated or
Yes,
not.
sir. Even for me, sir.
No, you wanted the notifications regarding if grade assignment solution is uploaded or
Suppose,
like that?
yeah. Suppose graded assignment solution has been uploaded or a course has been updated, evaluation has been done. Every time we are checking
Okay,
that.
you wanted that automatically that portal will give you the notification.
No, in the email ID, because email ID is mapped with the, I think, login. No? So anything updated, it should be reflected in the email.
Okay.
It can be done, I think so, because
No,
in the
it can
official
be
mails
done.
we get.
Yeah, it can be done, but the thing is, if every time for any, like let's say 4 subjects, somebody has taken 4 subjects, and if we know that after grade assignment deadline, the next day the solutions will be released for every subject, right?
Yeah, that is fine, sir. That is fine, no
So lot
problem.
of notifications will come, and after some time you might miss the important notifications, like
Yeah, it happens. It happens.
the exam will be there, or maybe the deadline for week 7 is extended, or the deadline for week 8 is extended, like that. So that's why for each and everything, if you wanted notification, that will also having the disadvantage.
No, everything is not required, but at least I think
Whatever important things are there, like
solutions and
solutions. See, most probably the solutions will be uploaded on the next day of the deadline, right?
yeah, it is being done like that. We
And
are doing that.
Yeah, you know that in the portal where it will like where you can find it. So I'm not sure that notification regarding this thing is required. If something different from that usually is happening, that notifications I think that is more important, right?
Sir, for me, sir, classes notification in Google Calendar. I just missed 2 classes. I think I missed first class for math. I had to see. Actually, in calendar it's showing only for stat and a CT, and for math it's not showing.
So you have opted for maths?
Yeah, I have opted maths.
Okay. Then you have to. So your calendar is not updated.
In calendar, there is an option in the calendar, sir. Just tick mark. It will be highlighted.
Yeah. So
yeah.
I think it's on the portal, right? The front.
Yeah, it is easy. You go to the calendar option. You just tick mark. If you want to see only selected calendars, then it is feasible in the calendar app. So
go to the corresponding course page, and there in the about section or week 0 section, you will find the link to the calendar, respective subject calendar.
Yeah, just
and
click on that.
You'll get that linked.
Even if you have clicked on that and calendar is mapped to your email ID, but still, if in your app you have not checked it, then it will not reflect. You have to check it that I want to see this option in my calendar.
Okay, actually, probably he is asking about that for today's thing. Actually, till last night, we have the calendar was updated with the stats and English only. But by today
It
morning,
happens.
we
Yeah,
got the notification regarding the maths and
It
the
happens. It
theory.
happens. It happens.
Right.
Sometimes a
So
special session is
actually,
being organized. It
yeah,
happens.
actually, I missed that maths class as well because last night I checked. Okay, there is no maths class tomorrow, so I studied late night yesterday and wake up in the morning late and missed that maths class.
Yes, it happens. It
Same thing
happens.
happened to me also.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
so
it.
it will be good if we have this notification
Prior.
or the calendar
At
updation
least,
at least one day before.
at least one day. It was also raised
Yeah, got
in the
it, got
other
it.
sessions.
Yeah, got
It
it. Because
happens, but
what
sometimes.
happened is because generally the calendar will be updated before itself, but
Yeah.
this week we have the quiz related things, right? So any mock sessions, revision sessions will be there. That's why I think maths decision has okay. They were deciding regarding how many sessions they need to take. I think they have done it in the late night. Okay, okay.
Yeah, actually, sir, this
Yeah,
is
I
a
got it.
very obvious habit of ongoing
Yes, yes.
engineers that they studied at night only. So
Yeah, I got.
we planned our next day the night before only, right? So
Yeah.
till last night we didn't have any update regarding the maths class. So we studied it till late night and missed that maths
Yeah.
class today morning.
Sumit is absolutely right. Sumit is telling
Okay,
absolutely
okay.
right.
I will like forward this message to mathematics that you have to update the calendars at least 1 or 2 days before. Okay, that thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
guys. Then I think if no
One thing
doubts are there, we can.
for
Sir,
one.
Thanks, sir.
one second, sir. Sir, one second, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not well versed with my social media apps kind of thing. But on Facebook, actually, if I open that one after 4 days or 5 days, right side top there'll be a bell symbol, and it tells me five updates or
Notification.
five notifications are
Okay.
there kind of thing.
Okay.
So even that one will gives us an idea about how many we need to look into kind of thing, sir.
Okay.
And if I hover on that one, it will roughly gives me where I need to check those reason. I mean, from X, from Y, from Z kind of thing. So that linkage is not so difficult, but if it is there, that will be useful for us. Even though, see, approximately is 20 to 30% of our program is on ad hoc basis only, sir. If you take a length of 1 month, extension of these deadlines, everything. And so it is not possible for each and every department to be in correlation with some other people, and you are also taking that care also, not to overlap subject on subject kind of thing.
Okay. Okay.
That
Fine.
is there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll ask my like, the operations teams if they are able to enable this notification kind of thing on the portal. I think that will be helpful, right? Everyone. So yeah, I'll ask you. Fine.
Excuse
Can
me,
you
sir.
I don't
confirm?
know how much time it will take for implementation. I don't know, but yeah, maybe we can start on that.
Of course, I am waiting from past 2 months, sir. No problem. We can wait. But the thing is, if it is there, it will be helpful. That's
Yes,
also.
yes.
Thank you.
Got it. Yeah, I will forward
So,
this to the team.
so will week 7 deadline be extended or is it?
Actually, yeah. Actually we thought of it's kind of extended, but I'm not sure right now the decision what's happening. Okay, there is a
So,
chance that
Actually, sir, for mathematics, it is reflecting the last date has been extended, but
okay.
for the remaining of the subjects, it is
Subject
not
is not
reflecting yet.
mentioned. Okay, I actually I need to clarify on that. First of all, I need to ask the team because what I heard maybe yesterday that is extended, but later night I got a message that it might not extend. So I'm not sure that it's extended or not. So first, okay, if the portal shows it is extended 1 or 2 days, right? Maybe by tomorrow morning. That means it is extended, or it is not, then it is not extended. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so sir, are we taking for week 7 doubts as of now?
Yeah. We are taking them.
Okay, so sir, in week 7, GA question number 1. Actually, I want to understand the how to approach that because I'm a little bit confused in that one. Remaining is good, but for the question number 1, I have some doubts.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. 12 boys and 2 girls are to be placed next to each other in the school ground for morning assembly. What is the probability that there are exactly 4 boys between the 2 girls? So what this is mean, huh? This line? Where you are having facing problem?
Actually, sir, I am calculating with different methods, but unable to get any matching answer with these options.
Okay, okay, okay. You have to consider numerator and denominator separately. That you understood, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So denominator is number of ways to arrange this 14.
Correct. So that will be in such case 14p2.
Yeah. Then 2 boys and 2 girls. So we need 4 boys between 2 girls.
Namaste, sir.
Exactly.
So,
So I considered that
Ravikant, can
what?
you mute
Yeah,
yourself? So song sound is coming.
yeah. Thank you. So what I did that made it like an one element, the set of 4 boys besides 2 girls. Okay, between 2 girls. Right. I made it that one element and remaining are the one each, and then I calculated, but answer doesn't matching with any of
So
these
first of
available
all, you know
options.
that first these 2 girls are there, right? So
Yes,
let's say first girl is on the first position, then the second girl will be on the on which
on the
position,
sixth position.
right? So in that
Yeah.
way, that will happen, right? Like 1,
Yes.
2, like that, until
Right.
you can think of
Yeah.
okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Now understood.
And we need to take the reverse also, sir. I got this doubt. In fact, means girl one, girl two. If you take girl two, girl one. I mean, is it me? We need to take the
Mute
reversal
all,
also
sir.
of the
Some sound is
girls.
coming. Mute all, sir. Yeah.
No, I think that sound is coming from Bhaskar only. I guess some machine is working. Then. Okay, so that thing is there. You got it right. So first,
Yeah.
you have to
Yeah, the
change
thing is, yes,
the.
sir. The thing is, girl one, girl two. If we take, and shall we take girl two, girl one kind of things? Sir, reversal of the girls.
Yes, because it's permutation, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah. So so that's why I our numerator going beyond very much from these values available in this. So that's why I got little confused that should we take some another approach or what?
One minute. No, it's not the another approach. It's the same thing. I think. Okay, just let me check.
There's a similar problem in one of the tutorials, I think. So I think solving that would help him to understand.
Which tutorial?
Was also there, but
The A and B problem, which you said that some letters need to be placed in between A and B. 8 letters. Yeah, I now remember the sum. So A first letter has to be a vowel, and then A and B has to sit, and between them there should be 8 letters, and remaining letters can be.
yeah, actually the same approach I applied over there, but answers are not matching with the available options.
Okay, I think what you are doing is I think you are taking the arrangements of boys also, right? Maybe.
Obviously, sir.
So uh, don't consider the arrangement of boys there. Only just take arrangement of girls.
Oh,
Okay. Only
okay.
like how many positions are there that exactly 4 boys are always between the 2 girls. That's it.
Yeah.
You have to consider only the thing is exactly 4 boys are there between the 2 girls anytime. So
Okay.
you should not consider the boys arrangement also there. Like
Okay.
4 there are 12 boys, right? So might be your
Right. Right.
boys also there, and that's why your numerator is going
Exactly.
too much.
Exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
so
Exactly.
just remove that condition that where all boys arrangements are there, because here we just needed that only 4 boys, exactly 4 boys should be there in between 2 girls. It need not be any whatever boy is there, like two boy 1 boy 2 is there, or boy 3 boy 4 is there, like that. It's
Okay.
only boys are there. So boys you should not consider the boys consider as a same quantity or same
Okay.
entity. Okay.
Same entity. Okay.
Same entity, and just what you have to do is girls you have to consider only. So the position of girls and the girls you have to consider distinct. So that permutation you have to. think here. Okay, then you might get the answer.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
But in the logic, what you have said is, I mean, if you ignore one option, we need to ignore the default. We need to ignore the second option also. That means both girls' arrangement also we need to ignore, right?
No. That you should not ignore here. Okay, I'm telling you, don't ignore. Okay.
Yeah, for this question, I understood, sir. But when we are framing the questions, actually, if such type of confusion is there, it will be difficult for us to. My answer also, I'm going from here to there kind of thing. Till now, you have clarified about boys.
Okay, boys actually, because boys, why we are neglecting here is the thing is we just wanted boys, like 4 boys there in between the girls. Okay, which boy or the arrangement of boys we are not considering here in this type in this specific question. Generally in this kind of questions, if the arrangement is there or like linear combinations are there, what we are considering is every possible combination or every possible arrangement of the people, right? Suppose like 16 men or 4 women are there, and 16 in that 16 women, or they should always be together, or some kind of problem should be there. What we are considering, in between them also what kind of arrangements are possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, what was your doubt? You said something, right? Okay, here, okay, guys, sorry, I think the thing is, you should not consider that.
Yeah, the boys thing, right?
Boys thing,
Arrangement of
yeah.
boys.
So
Yeah.
whatever boys arrangements are there, you should ignore that one. Okay, that's there.
Yeah. In such case, that answer will be match.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
So
yes.
Regarding the necklace permutation, I interpreted it in this way. Suppose there are 5 different colored beads, and if I have to make a necklace out of it, first if we take circular permutation, so we
But
get
you
4
are saying 5 different
factorial.
5 different color beads, right?
Yeah,
Once you
yeah,
define different color, that means it becomes distinct quantity.
yeah.
Right?
I'm
In
making
that
it
case,
distinct. Yeah,
yeah. Then in that case, it will be n minus 1 factorial. It was
yeah.
not
In
5.
minus 1 factorial, but the thing I was thinking of, that if we pick up the necklace, and if we consider permutation when it's facing us, okay, then we turn it around. It's the same permutation, but we are counting in twice. If we basically, I can't explain, but okay, let me frame it. Suppose there are two.
Okay, 2 different color beads are there. Let's say, or
okay, so
some different example. I
yeah.
don't.
No, I'm going with this. So 5 different colored beads and minus 1 factorial. Okay, up to this. Okay, so now I'm keeping the necklace on the floor, right? It is facing me in some permutation. Okay, now what I do, I pick it up and I swap it.
Reverse.
Yeah.
Like, okay.
What happens when I'm taking n minus 1 factorial?
Huh.
The after swapping, what I'm getting, that permutation is also counted.
I don't know. But see, beads means you got it right.
Yeah.
So kind of
Say suppose
moti or something like that.
yeah.
Circular, spherical shape kind of thing.
Yes, suppose
how
I'm
can you
telling,
distinguish this? This side is different and the other side is different.
I'm telling you. Say it's green. Okay, Vibgyor. Okay, VIB, GY, 5 colors. Okay, so suppose it's in from in clockwise direction. It's VIBGY.
Okay, you are saying in that way. Okay, so you
Yeah.
are saying in clockwise direction, one
Yeah.
VIBGO or something is there, and the
Y
other
is there.
and the what you did is, now you are
I'm
saying that
picking it up, picking the necklace up, and then I'm swapping it, and then again I'm placing it on the floor. Now what happens? It becomes VY GBI. It was VIBGY.
okay.
After swapping it, again I'm looking it in the clockwise direction. It becomes VYGY. bi.
You mean to say just reverse of
Oh,
that?
reverse
Yeah,
that. That's
Just
it.
reverse
yeah.
of that, right?
But
Exactly.
when I'm taking n-1 factorial, I'm counting these two as separate ways.
Yeah, correct. Huh.
Yeah, and the reason we take n-1 factorial by 2 is that it's the same necklace and the same permutation only, and it doesn't matter if we basically we shouldn't count it twice.
Okay, 1 minute. My screen is visible to you guys? Is it?
No, sir, not yet.
Oh, it's not there. Huh?
Not visible, sir.
Okay, I think I stopped sharing screen. So
Yeah, now visible.
Yes, sir.
I forgot when I stopped it. So okay. I understand what you are saying, I think, but I'm not sure. Let's draw it.
Yes, sir.
So suppose I'm saying that you are saying this.
5 B's are there.
Okay.
V, I, B, G, Y. Now I'm taking the necklace and swapping it and putting it back. So now it becomes, if you go in the anti-clockwise, V, Y, G, B, I. Now, if I'm taking n-1 factorial, that is 4 factorial, I'm counting these two as separate cases.
Correct.
Yeah, and the reason we take n-1 factorial by 2 factorial is that this shouldn't be counted as two different cases. It's the same necklace and the same permutation.
No, if these different colors are there, then you have to consider the two different arrangements for them.
Okay, sir.
Because in this direction, right, this anti-clockwise direction, right? In anti-clockwise direction, this arrangement is different. This is VI BGY, but in this direction, VI BGY. So this you have to consider differently because it's clockwise and anti-clockwise is different, right? But the thing is, when let's say you are having, suppose my A is there and all are B, right? One minute, because in this way also it's same, right? VI BGY and VI BGY is
Yes, sir. Actually, in such
the
case,
same
in
necklace.
the necklace kind of things, we
it's
can assume that clockwise and anti-clockwise doesn't matter because the beads are in spherical shape, and it is hard to find out that which direction is the front one and which is the back one.
Correct. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So in this case, you because its arrangement is same, right? From clockwise and anti-clockwise, correct?
Right.
So in this case, you
it
have
will look different, but the arrangement is same.
Same.
It will look different due to the different kind of colors.
And it is the same necklace. But had these been 5 people sitting, then then the arrangement would be different because their positions will differ. And hence in that case we don't divide it by 2 factorial.
Correct.
So this was my interpretation.
Yeah, that's correct.
I got the same interpretation as well. So
Yeah, correct.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, necklace kind of things, we should go like the palindrome arrangements.
Correct. Because both sides will be same, right? That's
exactly. We can't say that which one is the front one and which is the back one, because the thing is spherical and it is hard to find out that which is the front and which is the back.
Yeah. Okay. Correct. Because necklace, it will be like mostly it will be similar looking, right? Whichever way you look, it's kind
yes,
of
sir.
Right. So we should go for the palindrome in such cases.
Yeah, but yeah, it's better that you can write it down and visualize if this arrangement looking same. One arrangement at least you have to look. It's hard to say every time. Look, just you can't remember, right, all the things. Like okay,
Yes, sir.
It is better to remember. It is better to remember, sir, that
at least
if objects are same, just divide by the number.
no, it's better. I think just draw it like one arrangement and try to reverse it in the order, and
Yeah.
you can think like okay.
Yeah, order is same. If the order is same, then divide. If order is not same, then n-1.
Ma'am has already ma'am also I think in circular coefficient
Ma'am
Ma'am has
didn't
taught about
went
this.
into details. Ma'am said that this is an example. That's it. She
Okay.
just stated it. So
Okay.
then I tried to interpret it, and then I found this interpretation.
Okay. So maybe what we'll do is we'll have one revision session, right? So maybe we'll try to take circular permutation in like a detailed manner, like
Yeah, it is
2
better.
or 3 examples related to this anti-clockwise clockwise direction, how to look. So I will just prepare something for that, and maybe I'll share with you guys.
It is better to construct a standard situation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5, if it is there, we know, then we can fit any situation with any.
Actually,
Okay.
sir, sometimes what happens, if we go with some standard things and with some abrupt examples, so
Yeah.
it creates
Chances
too
of
many confusions actually.
Correct.
That
Yeah.
how should we take it? Should we take it in general way, or should we go with the actual wordings of that question? Right. So that's why these kind of things create so many confusions. And in
Permutation
such conditions,
combination
we got the wrong answers.
Mentoring should be there, sir. Where we will be hanged.
See, this thing,
Pre-indication
right?
should be there.
Permutation combination. It's like
Yeah, it
nobody.
is difficult.
I don't
It is
think
difficult.
nobody will can definitely surely say that
Yeah.
I'll be
It is.
perfect.
Yeah.
I'll correct.
Yeah, it is very
Exactly,
difficult.
sir.
It's very
It is very
difficult.
difficult.
I have seen
That
like
is why it is permutation, combination, and probability
yeah.
is there. Okay, sir. We will do
Permutation
it.
combination, right? I have seen like a lot of people who are like very good also, but they will do the mistake sometimes because some different problem will someone will throw something, and that will have some different logic. So it's possible that we can make mistakes.
Actually, sir, it is just the matter of how to interpret that
How to
question.
interpret that question? Yes, someone
Exactly.
will interpret it a different way, and someone will interpret it a different way. That also.
Yeah.
So it's okay, but there are like chances that we can solve like 90% of the problems, right? Whatever our understanding is, maybe we can solve it properly. That's if the basic understanding is there, and whatever concepts we are learning, if you follow that only, we are able to solve like most of the problems. It's there. Yeah, but practice is needed.
Okay. Yeah, practice is required. Okay.
So will we get, sir, some mock tests as well in coming
Mock test,
week?
yes. Maybe from Monday.
Okay. Thank you.
We will be having like 2 mock tests for that.
Okay. So both will be the time bounded kind of things, right?
Not both. I think one will be time bounded, and one will be like you can solve it anytime.
Okay. Fine.
But it's better
Static
that
syllabus. What is the static syllabus, sir? Also
1 to 6. 1 to 6.
1 to 6. Okay, statics is 1 to 6. In maths only 4, 5.
So the thing is, try to solve the mock test before Thursday, because Thursday will be having session. So it's better that if you solve it before, we can discuss the questions there. Okay. Okay, guys. I
Yeah,
think we should stop.
definitely, sir.
I think it's 4
Yes,
o'clock.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank
another
you.
session of English has been started, so we should go
Thank you.
for that.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Is there any English session? Hello? Hello?